Congratulations. You just finished the intro section to the FlowChat Affiliate Academy. You've just taken the first steps towards building your recurring income, let's just say $500 per month plus, and I'm so excited to see what you can accomplish next. So welcome to the 30-day action plan, right? Your blueprint for success. Apologies there. Every day you're going to follow a simple step-by-step plan. These small consistent actions will add up big results over the next 30 days. So here's your challenge. By the end of this plan, the goal is for you to generate $500 in recurring commissions each month, and that's going to keep coming in. And once you hit that, guess what? You're going to have the foundations to scale even further and keep building that income. So content in this FlowChat Affiliate Academy will unlock gradually to give you time to fully implement each step. Remember, success is a marathon, not a sprint. So stay patient and trust the process. Each day, you want to focus, or each day, your focus will be to build your skills in outreach, follow ups, qualifying leads, and booking calls. It's very simple. Don't skip ahead, don't go too fast. Mastering the foundations is the key to long term growth. We've included progress checkpoints. So these checkpoints are going to be at day 10, 20, and 30. And these are going to help you celebrate the wins, identify areas that maybe you need to improve, and make adjustments that maybe you need to scale your recurring income. Look, life happens. If you fall behind, that's okay. Just pick up where you left off. Every step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goal. By the end of this plan, you'll have the skills to book calls, build relationships, and create real sustainable success. So these actions that you take today will directly impact the freedom and flexibility that you want tomorrow. So let's make these 30 days count. Come into it, have the passion for it, and I'm going to cheer you on every step of the way. So let's do this. Excited for you to get into it. You'll see day one is now going to be unlocked. Go ahead and you can start day 1 to 30, and let's see what happens. Let's see what magic can be made.